Like I think I got a footprint right here. A lot of you guys know where I'm at. And this is my foot right here. Right next to a footprint. Right here. See how there's a ball? Right up here is the toes. If you look at it very closely, it's a good print. Now I'm going to be going over this way. And here's another one. This is my wife with me. And I wasn't expecting this at all. But for sure footprint right here. And I'm going to keep going down here and see if we can run into some more. I just went shopping, but I just noticed some footprints. Here's a slide mark, and that's not from her. Let's see if there's any footprints here. Definitely something going through here. You can see that. It's not typical. Here's a slide mark. Not really in a big wooden area, but it could be hidden. But the thing is, this is how close it is to the road, or the interstate.